Welcome back to the Real Dinosaur Zoo. Today's visit takes us into one of the most impressive habitats in the entire reserve.
Thank you. Enjoy your visit.
Young plesiosaurs often stayed in protected reef lagoons like this before moving into deeper water as they grew.
At nearly 50 feet and weighing several tons, Mosasaurus was the undisputed apex predator of the ancient seas.
Welcome to our hook and pull station. It lets our Tyrannosaurus release that natural hunting drive in a safe way, and he just loves it. Controlled feeds like this help us study Tyrannosaurus feeding habits safely. It also gives him the exercise he needs to stay healthy. A full-grown Tyrannosaurus could bite with more force than any land animal we know of. We track bite force, growth, and feeding patterns. Even small changes in activity can affect how large these animals grow. Everything about Tyrannosaurus was built for hunting. Powerful legs, crushing jaws, and senses tuned to detect movement. Some of these species had wingspans larger than small aircraft. Up close, though, they're surprisingly calm during feeding. Terror birds didn't fly, but they didn't need to. Their powerful legs made them some of the fastest predators on land. If you enjoyed today's adventure and want to support the park, make sure you subscribe before you leave.